Okay, so most people, they actually still think that Bitcoin, it moves on a simple 4-year cycle. Halving event occurs, the price goes up, and then that's somehow magically the end of the story. But that's not how the market actually moves anymore. In the cycle, it actually proved it. Now, here's the real truth. The old cycle, it was never about the halving. Instead, it was about liquidity. See, every major Bitcoin run, it aligned with one simple thing: the Federal Reserve expanding liquidity through QE. That's right, it means cheap money, abundant liquidity. And that is what fueled those rallies in the past. The halving, it just happened to be nearby. That means it was correlation, not causation. But this cycle, it was completely different. And what I mean by that is, QT, it was removing liquidity from the system. No fuel, no expansion, no classic altcoin season. Bitcoin moved, but most altcoins, they were starving for that extra capital. And there's also another major shift that beginners, they need to understand. The market, it has matured. Institutions, they've replaced those emotional retail traders. ETFs, they've created steady inflows. And 19.7 million Bitcoin, they're already mined. And the halving event, well, its impact, it's shrinking every single cycle. Now, here's the core lesson. Stop chasing those narratives. Start tracking liquidity. Oh, and learn some basic chart reading. Liquidity, it drives the market, not the calendar. Now, if QE actually begins in 2026, as many analysts actually expect it to, that is when we're going to see the broader market, it could really take off. And it's not because of the halving, again, but because the liquidity, it finally expands again. This is the new reality. Liquidity, it shows the truth. And those charts, they reveal the structure. I'm Chris from Z10 Digital Assets, and together we're helping each other learn, grow, and break free. Godspeed.